Lots of people are asking me what's more effective, buying a single family home and adding an ADU and maybe a JADU, or buying a multifamily complex and potentially adding on an ADU. Well, that depends. Most important, you need to know current administration housing policies does not like ADUs on multifamily properties. So for example, if you add an ADU onto a duplex, you can no longer do a government-insured, inexpensive loan, rate and term refinance on the property. Not even a rate and term refinance, much less a cash out. You have to go with a slightly more non-traditional called non-QM loan, and that's about 1 percentage point higher. Also, to build an ADU onto a multifamily property, you have to use fix and flip loans, which again are much more expensive. Bottom line is the cheap government insured loans are not built for multifamily properties that want to add ADUs. However, the single family home properties are. They still love the idea of adding an ADU to every single family property in America if possible. And the JADUs are treated as room additions. There's no more than one official ADU to be added onto the place. So there's ways around that, and the appraisers are allowed to treat JADUs as additional space or as JDU, all kinds of things. Lots of cool ways to go. But the bottom line is the government insured loans are far lower interest rate, far less restrictive, and so on. Also, when looking to purchase a property, multifamily properties require much more down payment, even if it's owner occupied. You can go as low as 10% on a duplex, but more likely it's going to be 20 or even 25% on a multifamily property. With a single family home, for first-time home buyers, you can go as low as 3%, or if you're a second-time around owner, as low as 5%. So there's a lot of benefits to buying single-family properties. You have to run the numbers to see what makes sense, because sometimes the rents on the multifamily properties are so good, it doesn't matter that the interest rate is higher. So always go over your numbers, have your spreadsheets ready, and we'll talk from there.